Well, Halloween is right around the corner, and today we have a project that's perfect for the spooky season. Jim Pittman and Jakara Bacchus with STEM NOLA is here to show us how to make a witch's brew. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Thanks so much for being here. I am so excited because this is giving all of the spooky season vibes.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we are here to bring the vibes. We're going to be making witch's brew with simple household products that you may have at home.
So this is all stuff you can find in your kitchen?
Absolutely.
Or around the house?
At least in the kitchen. If not, you can go look around the house for sure. Yeah. So what we need is a plastic cup. We need some vinegar, food coloring, glitter, and baking soda.
Okay.
All right. So what we started with half a cup of vinegar. I've already poured it in for
Got
you.
it.
And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some food coloring.
Okay.
So you can choose whichever color you would like. I'm going to choose yellow.
So I have green.
I can give you red just in case you might want red.
I like this.
Okay, so
this is giving
about 2 or 3 drops will work.
Okay.
And then you're going to add some glitter. So
is this enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like enough. And then you can add a generous amount of glitter, whatever your heart may desire. I'm gonna add some more. I need my witch's brew to sparkle.
Yeah, we need it to sparkle.
All right, and then we're gonna take our spoon, we're gonna mix it in. And then I have this dishwashing liquid. You can find this in your kitchen as well. I'm gonna pour a generous amount in there. Your cup, you can pour some.
Yes.
To your cup, mix that as well. And then we have one last step to get our brew going. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're gonna quickly put it into our brew and mix it.
I feel like I am back in science lab. But this is fun.
And then watch your witch's brew fizz.
Oh my gosh, wait, did I put enough? Did I need to do more? Oh, wait, there it is. There it is.
Give it a little time to react, give it a little time to cook.
Let it cook.
Yes, what's going on here is a simple chemical reaction, an acid-base reaction. So we have our baking soda acting as our base and our vinegar acting as our acid. And so when they come together, they're producing carbon dioxide gas. We have the dishwashing liquid here to be able to capture that gas in the form of bubbles. So that's how we're getting the fizz.
So a fun way to showcase the science of it all with a chemical reaction here, but definitely for the spooky season.
Yeah, we're right on time for it. Right?
Yeah.
And we also are doing this at our STEM NOLA STEM Saturday that we're having next month. Jim, do you want to?
Yeah, tell us about this event you have coming up.
On Saturday, November 8th, STEM Saturday. Look for us. Look for it on our website, STEMNOLA.com, and follow us on all social media. It will take place on November 8th. It'll be a STEM Saturday, the power of chemistry. Yes. So kids will get an opportunity to experiment with different chemical reactions.
Got it.
And learn about chemistry and learn about why certain things react like you saw today. So it'll be a lot of fun for kids. And we always need volunteers. So if you're interested in volunteering, if you're a STEM professional or a college student, go to our website, STEMNOLA.com, and volunteer. We'd love to have you.
I love it. Well, yeah, find out more information at STEMNOLA.com. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll have a lot more fun coming up on NOLA Now. Stick around.